On this episode of Noobs Create, we create some computer upgrades. Let's go. Hi, it's been way too long. I need a new editing machine. So the rig that I edit on right here is a custom built rig that I actually built quite a few years ago. It runs off of a Core i7-3770 and RX 580 and 16 gigabytes of DDR3 RAM. I also have 1 terabyte of hard drive space. That's it. I need help. So in this episode of Noobs Create, we're going to be installing new hard drives, new RAM, as well as a scratch disk and a boot SSD. Yeah, let me explain something really quick. So I ran out of air in my, canned air duster, you know, those types of things. And I was feeling really lazy, so I used a cheap $5 leaf blower that you plug into your computer. I mean, it worked. Do I recommend it? No. Am I still gonna use it? Yes. You know what? Let's just continue on with this, whatever this is. I like that idea a lot. So with all that out of the way, let's get into installing these parts. I can't wait. For the parts I am using for this upgrade, I am using a Seagate 2 terabyte hard drive. I am also using a Crucial 128 gigabyte boot SSD and a Kingston 120 gigabyte scratch disk SSD. I'm also installing a random 8 gigabyte kit of RAM I found in a drawer, so hopefully that works. Now that we have all of our parts finally put in the machine, the last thing that we have to do is actually turn it on. Hopefully everything works. Yeah, when was the last time that actually happened? And let's turn it on and hopefully she works. Let's get to it. Alright, so let's go ahead and push the power button and see if she wakes up. Well, that's a good sign. That's also a good sign. That's not a good sign. Alright, come on, please get something. There we go. Alright, I can work with that. Yeah, it doesn't work. So the problem that I have with this machine is that I keep running into a blue screen error specific. It's the RAM. I knew this. I was lazy and I used this. It doesn't work. So I ended up going out and buying another 8 gigabyte kit. This is actually a 4 gigabyte kit. I thought it was an 8 gigabyte, but it's a 4 gigabyte, and since I'm too lazy to return it, we're just gonna use it. I could have bought 16, but I decided to get this type of RAM. I've always wanted this type of RAM for whatever reason, but I mean, hey, it looks really cool. And I'm also going to be putting it in this, a NVIDIA Quadro NVS 295. I also found this in a drawer. However, this actually works, and I know it does because I used it. So we're gonna put it in here and see what the heck it does. I hope I can get CUDA. I don't even know if I'm able to do that. But anyway, let's get to installing these parts right now. let's go ahead and give this a try. Oh, yes! Oh, that happened quick! Memory size decrease. Okay. I don't like that warning, but... for absolute... oh, hey, look, there we are. Let's pop open Task Manager. And this is where I found out that I bought a 4GB kit of RAM instead of an 8GB kit. I pretty much just decided, you know what, screw with it, we'll throw it in the system. It edited perfectly fine with 16GB of RAM, so what was an extra 4? I had it anyway, and it actually worked. That graphics card I ended up installing, well, I ended up removing it because it was pretty much useless anyway. None of my programs utilized it, so why have it take up PCIe space? Everything else works, everything else is fine, and this project is done. Finally. Oh my gosh, that took forever. Oh hey, new outro! Thank you for watching. If you like this, then like. If you didn't like, well then like, or just like subscribe. I don't even know. Do you know how long it's been since I've done one of these? Hey look, there's socials down there. You should check them out. Hey look, there's a subscribe button. You should totally check them out. Ooh, is that 2 videos that you should totally click over there? Is this it? Alright, yeah, I'll let you guys do it.